If you're thinking about getting Kwik Fit, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know before buying. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what sets Kwik Fit apart from the competition and whether it's right for you. First, let's talk about the convenience. Kwik Fit offers an extensive range of services, making it a top choice for car owners who need more than just a standard tire change. When compared to competitors, Kwik Fit really shines with its comprehensive offerings, whether it's tire replacement, wheel alignment, or even exhaust services, all in one place. What's impressive is how accessible they make it. With over 600 locations, you're likely just a short drive away from a Kwik Fit center, something many other service providers just can't match. Next thing, the pricing. When it comes to pricing, Kwik Fit is competitive, but it's important to compare it to others like Halfords or national chains. Kwik Fit offers transparent pricing, which I love. You can see upfront costs, and they often have special offers running. But while their prices are competitive, they tend to come in just slightly higher on some services, especially when it comes to high-performance tires or specialized repairs. Still, their level of service often justifies that little extra cost. The third thing you need to know is about their online booking system. Kwik Fit makes it easy to book your appointment online, and that's something that sets them apart from traditional garages that might require a phone call or in-person visit. You can also track your service history, which is super handy if you need to keep up with regular maintenance. Not all competitors offer this level of ease and convenience. The fourth thing is their customer service. Kwik Fit has a pretty solid reputation here. You're going to get professional, courteous staff who understand your needs and can walk you through the best options for your car. While some competitors might rush through services or not give you that personal touch, Kwik Fit takes the time to explain things to you, which is a big plus when you're trusting someone with your vehicle. Next thing to keep in mind is the range of tire brands they offer. If you're looking for well-known brands, Kwik Fit carries a wide selection, including Michelin, Bridgestone, and Goodyear. This is crucial if you're picky about the brands you want on your car. Some competitors might only offer 1 or 2 tire brands, limiting your choices. Kwik Fit gives you flexibility without compromising quality, which is why many people trust them for tire replacements and repairs. The sixth thing is Kwik Fit's commitment to eco-friendliness. The company has made significant strides in offering environmentally friendly options, from recycling old tires to providing low-emission services. If you're someone who cares about sustainability, this is a big deal. In contrast, some competitors don't put as much focus on eco-friendly practices, making Kwik Fit a more attractive choice for environmentally conscious consumers. The seventh and final thing to know is about their customer loyalty program. Kwik Fit offers a reward system for repeat customers, which can save you money on future services. For long-term car owners, this is a fantastic benefit. Competitors like National Tires have loyalty programs too, but Kwik Fit's system is particularly user-friendly and easy to redeem, which adds even more value to their already strong service offering. If you want to try out Kwik Fit and see all these benefits for yourself, click the first link in the description below. By using that link, you'll get access to the best free trial for their services and exclusive benefits that you can't get anywhere else. Don't miss out on an amazing deal.